Hi, I'm Andy, and I'm from Su Casa Design, and this is my new renovation. We've been working on this house for a long time, and now we are collaborating to get the landscaping done. Together with Bloomin' Easy, we're gonna put this yard together. Very excited about it. I love hydrangeas, I love lavender. I don't typically like a ton of color, so a lot of the plants are white, but they will age as the season goes. So they're gonna start to turn into some amber colors, into some reds and pinks and things like that, which I think will complement the garden beautifully. We also have Panther 9-bark in amongst the plants, and I think that blending those with the white hydrangeas and lavender is gonna look absolutely knockout. I like to garden, but I am not an avid gardener with all the expertise on plants. And so that is why we chose Bloomin' Easy. A lot of the plants are easy maintenance, easy care, and when you have a yard this big, I can't be a slave to my yard. So a lot of these plants are gonna be easy to take care of, and I don't have to think about it. I can go on a QR code and I can look at these things and it will tell me exactly what I need to do to maintain these plants, to make my life easier. Well, welcome back to our garden. It's been about a month and a bit, and the plants are really starting to take form and grow. It's exciting to see that after a month, there's already growth. I think we've got about 6 inches happening on a bunch of plants. So after a bit of time, the plants are starting to establish themselves and the colors are starting to change. It's exciting to see hydrangeas that were white that are now turning pink and amber in color as the season grows a little bit later. One of the fun things that we experienced working with Bloomin' Easy was that we got these awesome cards. So I kept these cards from each of our plants, and they've got a QR code on them. And literally I have referenced these things as I'm watching the plants sort of grow and change in color and whatnot. And I go to these QR codes, I scan them, shows up on my phone, and I can see exactly what's happening with these plants so that I know how to maintain them, take care of them, trim them, how big they're gonna grow. That's another thing. Often you put tons of plants in the garden and you have no clue of how large are these things gonna be? Are they gonna nicely fill in? Or is there gonna be blank spots that I have to put other plants in say 3 years or something like that? So it gives me all these great tips, and it actually tells me where it's gonna thrive, where it's not gonna do well. So if we're too cold of a climate and the plant's not gonna do good, maybe we don't wanna get that one. But yeah, I have referenced these things with every plant that's in our garden, and they've been amazing. We are excited to see how this thing turns out over the years and how it develops and how it matures and fills in. But we are so excited about our plants, excited to see what the future holds.